Alright, so I'd like you to play around with nested for loops. So, um, for example, let's make this window bigger, 400 by 400, and then let's fill it with a grid of circles regardless of how big the window is. So let's set our loop so that circle Y, will continue the loop as long as the Y is inside the height, not the width. And each time through, we'll increment it by, let's just do 50. And then we'll draw circles at that location. Circle Y starts at, I don't know, 50. Okay, 50, fine. We'll just start there and see what happens. And then here, the inner loop, which draws a row of circles, let's start that also at 50. So it'll be a little bit more kind of equidistant from the corner. We'll say we want that to proceed as long as it's less than, and I'm going to take out the equal symbol because I think I would prefer it to be less than the height and width. And then each time through here, we're also going to say plus 50. And this value will also have the circles, we'll have them kind of abut each other. So let's try running this program, see what happens. And so we have this grid of circles or ellipses now. What if instead of just having a fixed size, though, as in the past program, or with a single for loop, let's create a size variable, and in this size variable, we want to store some relationship between how close the mouse is to the circle that's being drawn. So let's say we want it to be the distance between x and y, the x and y of the circle, and mouse x and mouse y. And we found from last time dividing it by a certain quantity makes it a little bit easier to see. And we need also to draw the background so that we can have frames of animation. And I would like to set a different fill color, so let's fill it with something random. Random from 0 to 255. And hold on, I'm going to do this 2 more times. And then we'll run the program, and you will see something cool, I hope. So here we go. And nope. Oh, because I didn't set here. We had to change this to size, right? So that it's actually drawing it at the appropriate size. So check this out. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool. All right. So that's enough for this video. Just kind of play around with this stuff, okay?